Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you some questions and you have to reply.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival
Mike,
is
please. Yes.
my favorite festival is Eid ul Adha, as it is the festival of celebrations and it all makes us happy.
Okay, let's go on.
How do you celebrate this festival?
I celebrate this festival by spending my time with my family and friends.
This is very short answer. You need to speak at least 4 to 5 sentences to answer. You answer in one sentence only.
Okay.
So these type of answers are followed by a question from the examiner, and that is why.
Okay.
And then you start thinking what was the question. By that time you usually forget the question.
Forget the
So it's a good idea, after giving the answer directly, add 2 to 3 sentences and then conclude your answer.
Okay.
Let's go on. One more question.
Do you like Western festivals?
Western festivals like Halloween, Christmas. Do you like Western festivals?
Yes, I like Western festivals like Halloween, but usually they are not celebrated in our country oftenly, so we have to follow other traditions in order to celebrate these festivals.
Okay, that's good. So to answer your question, I like Western festivals, but in fact these festivals are not common in my country. Conclusion is important, right?
Okay.
Okay, overall it's fine. Just try to answer in 3 parts: direct answer to the question, reasons for your answer, and conclusion.
Okay.
That's good. Thank you.